Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin B2. We'll start by understanding that riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, is a crucial nutrient for human health, playing a key role in energy production. Its industrial synthesis primarily involves microbial fermentation. Specific microorganisms are carefully selected and often genetically engineered to maximize their efficiency in producing this essential vitamin. This method allows for large-scale, cost-effective manufacturing. The fermentation process begins with preparing a suitable culture medium, rich in carbon sources like glucose, nitrogen, and essential minerals. Microorganisms such as Ashbia gossypii or Bacillus subtilis are then introduced. These cultures grow in large bioreactors, where conditions like temperature, pH, and aeration are precisely controlled. This controlled environment is critical for the microbes to efficiently synthesize and accumulate riboflavin over several days. Once fermentation is complete, the next step is to extract and purify the riboflavin. This typically involves separating the microbial cells from the fermentation broth. Riboflavin, which is often accumulated within the cells or secreted into the medium, is then isolated through various methods like solvent extraction or precipitation. Subsequent purification steps, including crystallization and drying, ensure a high purity, stable vitamin B2 product ready for use. Finally, stringent quality control measures are essential to ensure the safety and efficacy of the manufactured vitamin B2. Each batch undergoes thorough testing to confirm its purity, potency, and the absence of any undesirable contaminants. This guarantees that the final product meets all regulatory standards and is safe for consumption. For those interested in diving deeper into scientific topics or simply enjoying a good book, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.